Hello everyone. Good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you all are. Welcome to another episode of Wave Watch. And this is your host, Sleepy Bull. So today we will be going over total 3 altcoin market cap. In total 3, what we basically have going on, in my opinion, is the top of a downward sloping channel, which I've discussed in the prior video before, and the continuation of the prior major downtrend. We were previously in this downtrend, denoted by a WXY wave down, and we were interrupted by a corrective wave up, WXY. It's hard to see there, so let me just hide everything. WXY wave down, W wave, ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a major W, major X, major Y, and a lot of Elliot wave practitioners have a similar view. And this is I'm doing basically just total 3. I expect total 3 to be 1, 2, 1, 2, giant 1, giant 2. I mean, yeah, we have support here, but have you seen total 2? Have you seen total 2? There's no way we're not gonna break down below that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Simple as that. That's total 2. But I like to remove Ethereum from the picture and focus solely on alts. Excuse me. So yeah. And the smoking gun for why this is a corrective move up and not a wave 1, a wave 3 up is this section right here. Yeah, we have a WXY, or you can't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with this. No, look at this chop. Impossible. This is a WXY. But you can't do 1, 2 in this just because. Look at this 5 wave move up. That's the A, impulsive. B, C. You don't have 5 waves there. You can say you have 5 waves there, but then how do you explain this, this, and this? You say, okay, let's say 1 expanded flat 2, and then 1, 2 for third. Yeah, I guess you can do that. I guess you can do that. But when we dissect it further, you see we have overlap here. This would be, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, overlap 5. It's just too much chop here. Too much chop here. And, considering this for a 1, that's too small. Way too small. It's very unlikely. Look at this. Can't even draw on this. Yeah, that's just, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too small. So hence why we're going with WXY Y wave, an impulse wave 5 up. Now, the important part here is we're coming to a double top scenario. Let me just clean this up a little bit. I know this can be a very messy chart sometimes. I'm gonna delete this for you here. Delete this for you here. And let's zoom in. This is total 3. Now we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 up. Makes absolute sense. Wave 3 is always the strongest wave. Yep. Past 618. It's like a 2 on the Fibonacci level. Now, I was able to predict with accuracy this top here because wave 5 is always either wave 1 or the extension of wave 4. And the extension of wave 4 to the 272 or 618. And look, right on the 272. Correction. We hit a correction. And now we're coming on a double top on this wave 5. We zoom into the 4 hour. We have a 3, 4, 5, W, X, Y, W, X, Y. Now I was originally going to do an impulse move down for a ABC correction, but this is not looking impulsive at all. So I'll take that down. This is obviously a WXY for a WX and then Y to proceed. And so we could expect total 3 to come in at 500 billion, 525 billion. We're going to shed at least 10 billion off this market cap. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning because as you can see, that top coincides with the drop from that trend line connecting the high, ignoring the blow off top, the other high. Connecting those two gives this high right here. And drawing a channel gives this low right here. And you'll also have this channel connected to this high. So we're going to see a reversal, a bounce, a break and continuation down to somewhere here. And that's what we're expecting. We're expecting a W, X, Y for a full W, X, Y wave completion. And it'll be below here, somewhere here. We know that this here, if this is a wave 4, usually the lower area of a bear market is, or the completion of a bear market is usually before the bottom of wave 4. Here we have exceeded the bottom of wave 4. Usually we look for that as a sign to tell us whether that's a wave 4 or not. This looks like a very likely wave 4. We're just exceeding it. And it strongly indicates to me that this is a wave 1, wave 2 for a 1, 2, 1, 2, either finishing here or here near the 0.5 or 618 Fibonacci level. It's likely that we end up bottoming around April 2025 for a slow grinding move down, exactly on the 618. But that remains to be seen. Now this is with the Fibonacci drawn here at the top. Let's see if we get it all the way from this local top. We meet it right here. It could be that we drop right here for November 2025. Who knows? But that remains to be seen. For now, we're focusing on continuation of the bear trend. And yeah, that's it, folks. Stay safe.